Well, there's only 2 more rounds to go. So this is round 4. So just in case to show you, and to let you all know, who came in first to last, Tommy Steamalong Thomas won the first round, the Playrail N700 won round 2, and Snowy Spencer won round 3. So who will win round 4 of the High-Speed Train Demolition Derby of 2022? Let's find out and get these trains rolling, shall we? And off they all go! Oh, it looks like Gordon is coming up behind Diesel's N again. Oh, he's going to derail his trucks. Oh, James is coming up behind Thomas Fast. Oh, so close. And Gordon has derailed his front end, but he's derailed Diesel's N's trucks. Oh, could Gordon possibly stay on the track for long? Oh, the 2 high-speed bolted vehicles are touching each other. This feels rather intense than I thought. Oh, Snowy Spencer has touched Percy's Chocolate Crunch. Trying to derail the trucks there. And... oh, this is really getting us nowhere. Oh, honestly, I should have set Gordon to normal speed mode. Oh, is Snowy Spencer going to derail Percy's trucks? Will the 2 high-speed bulleted diesels? Oh, still set on Diesel's N and Shooting Star Gordon. Oh, this is so intense! It's still getting us nowhere. Oh, Shooting Star Gordon is... oh, almost. Toby is only this far away from Flying Scotsman. If Toby eventually catches up to Flying Scotsman, we'll see if he can derail him. Oh, Percy has lost his cargo. I think Spencer's getting close and close to... oh, good. Oh, now Percy is off. Snowy Spencer is still standing. And... oh, N700 is down! But here comes the playroll Komachi. Oh! That was a tight squeeze. But Gordon is still shoving Diesel 10's trucks. And here comes Toby with the jet engine, coming up behind Flying Scotsman. Oh! Shooting Star Gordon is down. But will he? No, we're still Spencer. Oh no, he stopped too. Oh. Well, the playroll Komachi, Flying Scotsman, and Toby are still standing. Oh, and Toby's shoving the Flying Scotsman's tender, or his second tender. Oh, it's getting nowhere. Oh. Come on, Toby. I hope I won't keep this up too long. Judging by my board, some of the fans. Toby, the Flying Scotsman are still standing side by... Oh, there we go. Oh, finally. Well, with Flying Scotsman and Toby and the jet engine down at last, the playroll Komachi wins round 4 of the high-speed train demolition derby. Who else will ever beat the high-speed bulleted train? Stay tuned for the 5th and final round of the high-speed train demolition derby of 2022.